Well, with the Shiv Sena and the JDU unwilling to back PA Sangma in the race to Raisina Hill, it remains to be seen whether the NDA will come out and take a final call and decide on who they will support.
They've dragged their feet for weeks now on the name of their presidential candidate. But today, the NDA is expected to close the deal and finally give a name to their hopeful for the race to the Raisina Hill.
Finally, a formal announcement is likely to take place from the NDA side on who their presidential candidate will be. We saw long discussions taking place at L.K. Advani's residence late on Wednesday evening. In attendance were Sushma Swaraj, Jaswant Singh as well as Subramaniam Swamy.
While Swamy, who has been acting as the intermediary between NDA and Purno Sangma, is gunning for Sangma as president.
He is not our candidate, by the way. He is a candidate of Jayalalitha and Naveen Patnaik, and I want them to NDA to support him.
The NDA for a large part is divided over Sangma despite his resignation from the NCP, with the Shiv Sena and the JDU unwilling to put up a candidate against Pranab Mukherjee. But unless a united NDA comes together to support him, along with UPA rebel Mamata Banerjee, Sangma's chances of winning are very thin. The original choice of regional satraps AIADMK and BJD, Sangma will play a crucial role this elections, whether he gets the numbers or not. But will he be able to act as a magnet for a non-Congress alliance in these presidential elections? Bureau Report, Times Now.
And Aishwarya Kapoor now joins me from New Delhi with the latest. Now, Aishwarya, Sangma has made his resolve to contest these polls extremely clear yesterday by resigning from his party. But the big question is the NDA going to come out and support him fully, or are we going to see a fractured NDA offering support?
Absolutely correct. PA Sangma had actually proved his credential yesterday by resigning from the NCP, and after that happening, what Subramaniam Swamy said yesterday was very critical, but we just heard that he will be the candidate of AIADMK and the BJD and with the NDA supporting. But what we are hearing the latest is that the BJP could officially announce their support to PA Sangma and then leave it out in the open for the JDU and also the AIAD and also the Shiv Sena, that rather whether if they want they can support it, because what we are hearing is that a senior level JDU leader went and met Lal Krishna Advani yesterday later in the evening and made it very clear that it's going to be tough for the JDU, very likely like the Shiv Sena, to support PA Sangma, and they are going to very clearly support Pranab Mukherjee for the president's position.